Namaste students. Today we are going to learn or going to discuss about a story, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. It is written by Ruskin Bond, who is an Indian author of British descent. Now we are going to learn chit-chat activity from the story. You have to ask some questions by the teacher for previous knowledge, like that. First question, do you read newspapers? One can answer like this, yes, I read newspapers daily. Second question is that, are there good news or bad news in the newspaper? Someone can answer like this, there are good news as well as bad news in the newspapers. Next, do you believe in all the news? Someone can say, if the news is believable, it is a fact. Someone can say, I believe in the news. If the news is fake, someone can say, I don't believe in all the news read in the newspaper. Next question is, who do you think are responsible for spreading false news or fake news? Someone can answer like this, I think some bad people are responsible for spreading false news in the society. One can also answer this question, do you believe in rumors? Why? Do you understand what is the meaning of rumors? Rumors means अफवा. आपण ब्लाइंड बिलीफ्स असे म्हणू शकतो, सुपरस्टिशन्स असे म्हणू शकतो. Do you believe in rumors? Why? Someone can say, I don't believe in rumors because they have no scientific reasons. In this way, we can get some knowledge about chit-chat activity. Next. Now, look at the blackboard, students. Here are some statements given for you. Here are some statements for you. हे तुमच्यासाठी इथं काही उदाहरणं घेतलेले आहेत. And you have to describe whether it is fact or rumor. आणि तुम्हाला हे स्पष्टीकरण करून सांगायचं आहे की हे विधान एक वस्तुस्थिती आहे का rumor अफवा आहे. Now we can learn the first statement. Cow gives birth to a calf. म्हणजे गाय वासराला जन्म देते. One can say it is a fact. Why it is a fact? Because it is natural phenomenon. नैसर्गिक संकल्पना आहे ती. Next, in 2025 the sun will swallow the earth. म्हणजे इसवी सन 2025 मध्ये सूर्य पृथ्वीला गिळंकृत करेल. It is rumor because it is not scientifically correct. Do you understand? Next, you receive a message that you have won 5 crore in a lottery. One can say it is a rumor. How can one explain it? If the message is not from the authority, so it is called a rumor. Next, bees beat their wings 270 times in a second. म्हणजे मधमाशा एका सेकंदामध्ये 270 वेळा आपल्या पंखांची हालचाल करतात. One can say it is a fact. Why it is a fact? It is scientifically proved, so it is a fact. Next, Many ships and aeroplanes have disappeared in Bermuda Triangle. What can you think about that? Yes, one can say it is a fact because it is a proven fact, scientifically proven fact. Driverless cars are no more a dream. One can say it is a fact. Why? Because trials are being made. म्हणजे चालकाशिवाय गाडी चालवणं आता याच्याविषयी प्रयत्न सुरू आहेत. म्हणजे ते आपल्याला वस्तुस्थिती म्हणता येईल. सायंटिफिक रिझन बिहाइंड दॅट. सोफिया इज वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट रोबो सिटीझन. वन कॅन से इट इज अ फॅक्ट बिकॉज इट इज अ प्रूवन फॅक्ट. ही सिद्ध केलेली वस्तुस्थिती आहे. घोस्ट्स ड्वेल इन बनियन ट्रीज. तर बहुतांशी आपण ग्रामीण भागामध्ये राहणारे लोक किंवा राहणारे विद्यार्थी या अंधश्रद्धेला बळी पडतात की भूतं ही वडाच्या झाडावरती वस्ती करतात. वन कॅन से इट इज अ rumor because it is a superstition. Why it is a superstition? It is called blind belief. It has no scientific reasons. Next, do not step out on a new moon day. स्टेप आउट म्हणजे जायला सुरुवात करणे, बाहेर पडणे. म्हणजे पौर्णिमेच्या दिवशी आपण बाहेर पडू नये. वन कॅन से इट इज अ rumor because it is a superstitions. We can not believe such superstitions. Aliens will conquer the earth. एलियन्स म्हणजे परग्रहवासी हे पृथ्वीवरती काय पृथ्वी जिंकून घेतील असं आपण भविष्य वर्तवलं तर समवन कॅन से इट इज rumor. एक अफवा आहे कारण इट इज ओनली इमॅजिनेशन. नो वन कॅन सी एलियन्स. ओके, वी कॅन. नेक्स्ट स्टुडंट्स, now we are going to learn name of the characters mentioned in the story before learning the story. It is very useful for you to know about the characters. Look here, it is a riddle for you. Who am I? म्हणजे मी कोण आहे. बरोबर. I am the washerman's son. Who am I? The name of the washerman's son was Sitaram. Sitaram was the washerman's son. Next character, I am the owner of the bank. Who am I? Seth Govindram was the owner of the bank. I am the sweeper. Who am I? Nathu. Nathu is the sweeper in the story. I am in need of a sweeper. Who am I? In need of म्हणजे आवश्यकता असणे किंवा गरज असणे. मला स्वीपर बॉयची जे सफाई कामगाराची गरज आहे. मी कोण? सी इज मिसेस श्रीवास्तव. आय एम द फ्रेंड ऑफ मिसेस श्रीवास्तवा. हू एम आय? म्हणजे मी काय कॅरेक्टर सांगतो का? मी मिसेस श्रीवास्तव श्रीमती श्रीवास्तव यांची मैत्रीण आहे. हू एम आय? सी इज मिसेस भूषण. नेक्स्ट, आय एम द हेअर ड्रेसर. हेअर ड्रेसर म्हणजे केस कापणारा. हू एम आय? दीपचंद इज द हेअर ड्रेसर इन द स्टोरी. आय हॅव अ क्रुक्ड लेग. हू एम आय? क्रुक्ड लेग म्हणजे अपंग, लंगड्यात चालणारा. तर या गोष्टीमध्ये गणपत बेगर म्हणजे भिकारी हा क्रुक्ड लेग आहे. आय एम द ओनर ऑफ फोटोग्राफी शॉप. हू एम आय? जे फोटोग्राफीचा ओनर म्हणजे मालक कोण आहे? कमल किशोर. कमल किशोर इज द ओनर ऑफ द शॉप. नाउ लर्न मोर अबाउट द स्टोरी. नाउ द बॉय हू ब्रोक द बँक, written by Ruskin Bond. Nathu grumbled to himself as he swept the steps of the People Nagar Bank, owned by Seth Govindram. He used the small broom hurriedly and carelessly, and the dust, after rising in a cloud above his head, settled down again on the steps. As Nathu was banging his pan against the dustbin, Sitaram, the washerman's son, passed by. Sitaram was on his delivery round. He had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes balanced on his head. Don't raise such dust, he called out to Nathu. Are you annoyed because they are still refusing to pay you an extra 2 rupees a month? I don't wish to talk about it, complained the sweeper boy. I haven't even received my regular pay and this is the 20th of the month. Who would think a bank would hold up a poor man's salary? As soon as I get my money, I am off. Not another week. I work in this place. And Nathu banged the pan against the dustbin several times just to emphasize his point and giving himself confidence. Well, I wish you luck, said Sitaram. I'll keep a lookout for any job that might suit you. And he plodded barefoot along the road, the big bundle of clothes hiding most of his head and shoulders. At the fourth home he visited, Sitaram heard the lady of the house mention that she was in need of a sweeper. Trying his bundle together, he said, I know of a sweeper boy who's looking for work. He can start from next month. He's with the bank just now, but they aren't giving him his pay and he wants to leave. Is that so? Said Mrs. Srivastava. Well, tell him to come and see me tomorrow. And Sitaram, glad that he had been of service to both his customer and his friend, hoisted his bag on his shoulders and went his way. Now look here, students. The first character is Nathu. Nathu was sweeper boy in the bank and the owner of the bank was Seth Govind Ram. Then Nathu used the small broom hurriedly and carelessly, and dust, after rising in a cloud above his head, and the dust settled down again on the steps because he was in an angry mood. So here is a word grumbled. Grumble means showed one's critical attitude. जे तक्रारीचा सूर असं म्हणतो. Nathu was complaining about his work. And then he saw Sitaram, who was the son of washerman, passed the way. Then Sitaram was on his delivery round. So he had a freshly bundle on his head. That time Sitaram told Nathu not to raise such dust. Sitaram knew that he was very angry. He was in an angry mood. Sitaram wanted to know why Nathu was angry. Then he knew that Nathu was annoyed because he had not got his monthly pay from the bank. So he was complaining about the bank with Sitaram. And it was 20th of the month till Nathu did not get his salary. Nathu wanted to get extra 2 rupees a month from the bank, but the bank did not give him extra money as well as his regular pay, regular salary. So he was talking about his salary with his best friend Sitaram. He told Sitaram that no sooner did he get his money, he was off from the bank. And again he banged the pan against the dustbin to emphasize. Here emphasize means draw attention to. त्या एखाद्या गोष्टीकडे लक्ष केंद्रित करण्यासाठी. He banged the pan against the dustbin to show his annoyance about the bank for his salary. Then Sitaram promised Nathu to look out for a job which would suit Nathu. To look out for एक फ्रेज आहे. टू लुक आउट फॉर म्हणजे शोधणे. त्याच्यासाठी एक चांगली नोकरी शोधतो, त्याला जी योग्य वाटेल असं सीतारामने त्याला वचन दिलं. अँड देन ही टूक हिज फ्रेशली प्रेस्ड bundle of clothes and went away to his way. At the fourth home, he met the person. The name of the person was Mrs. Srivastava. She was in need of a sweeper boy. Then it was good chance for Sitaram. Sitaram told Mrs. Srivastava that there was a sweeper boy. He was also looking for a job. His name was Nathu. He was working in the bank, but the bank did not give his salary regularly, so he wanted to leave the job. Then Mrs. Srivastava promised promised Sitaram to tell the sweeper boy the next day about the post of the sweeper boy. Next, Mrs. Srivastava had to do some shopping. She gave instructions to the ayah about looking after the baby and told the cook not to be late with the midday meal. Then she set out for the Pipalnagar marketplace to make her customary tour of the clothes shop. A large shady tamarind tree grew at one end of the bazaar, and it was here that Mrs. Srivastava found her friend, Mrs. Bhushan, sheltering from the heat. Mrs. Bhushan was fanning herself with a large handkerchief. She complained of the summer, which was upheaved, was definitely the hottest in the history of Pipalnagar. She then showed Mrs. Srivastava a sample of clothes she was going to buy, and for 5 minutes they discussed its shade, texture and design. Having exhausted this topic, Mrs. Srivastava said, "Do you know, my dear, that Seth Govindram's bank can't even pay its employees. Only this morning I heard a complaint from their sweeper who hasn't received his wages for over a month." You know that Sitaram was very happy. Why? Because he had been of service to both a customer and his friend. Then Mrs. Srivastava wanted to go for shopping in the Pipalnagar marketplace. So she gave some instructions to the ayah to look after her baby. Here is a phrase, to look after, जे काळजी घेणे. ज्या घरी जी मेड होती, मोलकरीण कामाला होती, तिला मिसेस श्रीवास्तव यांनी काय सांगितलं की आपल्या बाळाची काळजी घे. अँड शी गेव इन्स्ट्रक्शन टू द कुक नॉट टू डिले मिड डे मील, म्हणजे दुपारचं जेवण वेळ करू नका असं आपल्या कुकला तुम्ही काय केलं, सूचना दिल्या. अँड देन सी वेंट टू बिपलनगर मार्केट प्लेस. हिअर इज अ फ्रेज टू सेट आउट मीन्स जायला निघणे. सी न्यू दॅट देर वॉज अ large shady tamarind tree at the end of the bazaar, and Mrs. Srivastav met her best friend. The name of her friend was Mrs. Bhushan. She was sheltering under the tamarind tree and she was fanning herself with a handkerchief, and she was complaining about the summer heat. It was very hot and she complained that it was the hottest day in the history of Pipalnagar. Then she showed Srivastava a piece of cloth which she was going to buy from the market, and then both Mrs. Srivastava and Mrs. Bhushan, they both discussed about the shade, about the texture, about the design of the clothes. And then on the way, Mrs. Srivastava told Mrs. Bhushan that she heard the complaint about the sweeper boy from the Pipalnagar bank, that Pipalnagar bank means Seth Govindram's bank did not give salary to their employees. Actually, it was not a fact, it was a statement given by Nathu to Sitaram, and then Mrs. Srivastava and Mrs. Bhushan both went to marketplace to buy something. Shocking, remarked Mrs. Bhushan. If they can't pay the sweeper, they must be in bad way. None of the others could be getting paid either. She left Mrs. Srivastava at the tamarind tree and went in search of her husband, who was sitting in front of Kamal Kishore's photography shop, talking with the owner. So, there you are, cried Mrs. Bhushan. I have been looking for you for almost an hour. Where did you disappear? Nowhere, replied Mr. Bhushan. Had you remained stationary in one shop, I might have found you, but you go from one shop to another like a bee in the flower garden. Don't start grumbling. The heat is trying enough. I don't know what happening to Pipalnagar. Even the bank about to go bankrupt. That's what, said Kamal Kishore, sitting up suddenly. Which bank? You know that Mrs. Bhushan and Mrs. Srivastava went their way to the market. But it was questioned in front of Mrs. Bhushan why Pipalnagar bank could not pay his employees. So she wanted to buy some stationery. हे stationery म्हणजे लेखन साहित्य खरेदी करणे. Mrs. Bhushan was with his husband Mr. Bhushan, and after buying something, she was in search of her husband Mr. Bhushan. Mr. Bhushan was with Kamal Kishore, and they were talking about each other. Then Mrs. Bhushan told Mr. Bhushan that Seth Govindram's bank did not give salary to his employee, and then Mrs. Bhushan as well as Kamal Kishore both were surprised, and they were thinking why Seth Govindram's bank did not give salary to the employees. Now look at what we learn from the first part. Now students, what we learn from the story, from the first part, you can learn these new words with their meaning. Now we are going to learn the words as well as their meanings. First word, grumble. Grumble means showed one's critical attitude. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ तक्रारीचा सूर. ग्रंबल मीन्स तक्रारीचा सूर. एम्पसाइज, ड्रॉ अटेन्शन टू म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टीवरती जोर देणे. प्रॉडेड, वॉक हेविली म्हणजे मोठ्या कष्टानं चालणे. हॉइस्टेड, रेज टू अ हायर पोझिशन म्हणजे आपल्या खांद्यावरती गाठोडं जे होतं सीतारामच्या ते त्यानं काय केलं, उंच असं उचललं, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो हॉइस्टेड. कस्टमरी, युजल ऑर हॅबिच्युअल. कस्टमरी म्हणजे नेहमीचा किंवा सवयीचा. नेक्स्ट, स्टेशनरी, यार स्टेबल ऑर नॉट मूव्हिंग म्हणजे लेखन साहित्य. स्टेशनरी म्हणजे काय, लेखन साहित्य. बँक्रप्ट, विदाऊट इनफ मनी टू पे व्हॉट यू ओ, फायनान्शियल रुईन. आता याला आपण म्हणतो बँकेची दिवाळखोरी. बँक्रप्ट म्हणजे बँकेची दिवाळखोरी. निक्ट, याचा अर्थ कट स्लाइटली म्हणजे छोटंसं काय करणे, आपण कापणे असं म्हणतो. बी लाईन, द डिरेक्ट रूट. याचा अर्थ काय की तडक निघून जाणे. हे सर्व कठीण शब्दांनी त्यांचे अर्थ आपण पहिल्या भागामध्ये पाहिलेले आहेत. हा भाग पाहू.